Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can find your Dasher Direct card number. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is actually open up the Dasher Direct app, and you also want to make sure that you are on the latest version, because if you're not running the latest version this might not work. So check your app is updated, and then when you're happy with that you can open it up and log into your account. Now once you're logged in and you're on the home page, it should look similar to what's on screen now. Now in order to find our card number, we will have to go to the bottom right corner of the screen and click that button that says More. From here we can see a few options related to our account, and we just want to go to the third one down, which should be Manage Card. Now when we click on that, we will see three options: Activate Physical Card, View Virtual Card, and also Replace Your Card. Now it's important to know that if you're trying to find your full card number of the original Dasher Direct card, the only way to do that is by using your physical card. Now we can view our virtual card and view the virtual card number, however this will not be exactly the same as your physical Dasher Direct number. So from there you can just click View Virtual Card, and then you can view your account details, and they will show you the virtual card details for your Dasher Direct virtual card. So as I said earlier, if you want to find the full number of your original Dasher Direct card, you will need to have the physical one, or if you've lost it you can go ahead and replace it. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.